guys, welcome to Foodoo. I'm your host, Shamrock. So today's video, we are gonna do the exact copy of McDonald's Shamrock shake at home. So let's get started. So the main ingredients are vanilla ice cream, peppermint or mint flavored, green food coloring, whole milk, and you need a blender. So the optionals are you can get whipped cream or Cool Whip, which I'm going to show you guys pictures here. You guys can do cherries, and you can guys get to do green sparklers if you want. It's up to you guys. It's optional. So you guys don't need that. The very first thing I showed you guys was the main ingredients that you guys would need. It's option for the stuff that I'm showing you guys right now. So in the blender, you guys, you would need to have some ice cream. Which I'm going to open brand new ice cream. If I can get this open. Yeah, I'm going to get this open. Make sure you guys get lots of ice cream in there. It depends how much you guys want. So you need at least some scoops. Like maybe 3 scoops to make it worthwhile. Then you need some peppermint flavored. Then add some milk. So it's nice and creamy, you guys. I don't know how creamy you guys like it, but add milk. After that, you add the food coloring to the blender. I'm going to add lots of drops because I want to make sure it's nice and green. Once you're done, you will have to hit the milkshake button. Make sure the lid's on nice and tight. Once you're done, then you put in a big glass of... And there's the finished touch, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this food tube. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. And let's try it and see how it tastes. Tastes delicious. Oh wow. Really peppery. So, I hope you guys do give it a big thumbs up. And tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do in the next video. Goodbye.